So here is another anti-aging secret for you to look younger. Yes, even if you are 80, even if you are 65, even if you are 70, no matter the age you are, use this treatment, try it on your skin, and you will never remain the same. You will look far younger than your age. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. How are you all doing today? Like you see from the title, this is going to reverse your age. Apply this treatment, you see your skin rejuvenating, you see your skin getting hydrated, you see your skin getting beautiful and younger. If you love beauty tips, go on and subscribe. So I always use natural ingredients that I will be showing you soon to make a mask, to make a scrub, to make some treatments that when you apply it on your skin, you see your skin glowing, even if you're in your 80s. And do not forget to share this video. Share it to everyone so that they will get to see the videos. Alright, so I will show you the ingredients I use here. Very wonderful ingredients. It works immediately. Like immediately you'll be noticing the result. Gradually, with consistency, you'll be looking more younger and younger than your age. So I made this of 4 ingredients. Okay, 4 natural ingredients that you can find in the kitchen. One of them is rice powder. Rice powder, rice flour, contains antioxidant that fights signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines. It helps to slow down aging process by fighting free radicals that makes you always age faster. You see your skin being so smooth, supple, like reviving your skin. It exfoliates your skin to get rid of dead skin cells. Dead skin cells can make you have dull skin. Dead skin cells can hide your beauty, making it to look far older. So applying rice or mixing with other ingredients will make you have a tighter, firmer skin that you will love. So the next ingredient I made this of is aloe vera gel, and that is because aloe vera plays a great role when it comes to skincare. It helps to hydrate the skin. It suits irritated skin. You can make use of any brand. This is the one I just bought. I don't have a particular brand. Anyone that is okay, I just get it from the supermarket. So aloe vera helps to hydrate the skin, especially those that have dry, flaky skin that wants to add moisture, like natural moisture. You want to revive your skin. You want to treat your skin. You want to get rid of sunburn. Okay, get aloe vera gel and add it into the treatment, and you will love the result. Aloe vera contains anti-aging properties as well, just like other ingredients I'll be listing. It helps to keep your skin way more youthful by giving you a beautiful glow that you will love. Your skin will not remain dried out anymore. So the next ingredient you have to get is egg. I know many of you would think that egg is smelly. This is a mask, it's a wash off. It's something that if you apply it after some time, you wash it out. But you have to not joke with egg white. Egg white of the egg is very powerful when it comes to aging signs. It helps to fight signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines, firming and tightening saggy skin. Like the results will amaze you. Egg white helps to minimize so much oil on your skin as well, helping to keep your skin well balanced, more natural. You just love the result. So in case you have dry skin, make use of both the egg white and the egg yolk. Egg yolk is specially for adding moisture to the skin by moisturizing, by glowing the skin. You know, just add it if you have dry skin. So the next one I made use of is rosehip oil. Get any brand of rosehip oil. Rosehip oil comes in different colors. Make sure you get the original one. Rosehip oil comes in different colors, so you get original one. So this brand is okay and other brands are okay as well. Rosehip helps to tighten the skin, keep your skin beautifully radiating, glowing, moisturize. You know, it gets rid of signs of aging. It firms the skin. Rosehip oil is very penetrating. It's one of the oils that I love so much. I add it into my products. Like this is oil that I don't joke with because it's very penetrating. It will not clog your pores by giving you acne, pimples and all that. No, it's very lightweight. So get rosehip oil is also very anti-aging, like helping to minimize wrinkles and fine lines. You will love it. Alright, so after getting these 4 ingredients, it's time to tell you the measurements. I still have one more ingredient, but I'll be telling you very soon how to apply it. So you have to measure in 1 tablespoon of your rice powder. If you don't have rice powder, You can use your rice grain, turn it into a powder form by blending it, and you have your rice powder. You can also make use of your cooked rice. Mash it until it's soft, then you add it into this treatment, 1 tablespoon. Then you add your aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of it, any brand. Then you add your egg whites, only 1 egg. Like, separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. Add only the egg white into this treatment. Remember what I said, if you have dry skin, just include the egg yolk. So add few drops of rosehip oil, just few drops, about half teaspoon. If your skin is very oily, just add few drops. If you have severe dry skin or dry skin, just add half teaspoon and you're okay. Mix this treatment together, just mix and mix, okay? But if your treatment is very thicker than this, go on and add rose water. So this is the time to introduce my rose water. Rose water is very hydrating. It balances the skin pH. Very good for all skin types and complexion. It glows the skin. Adding it into this will make it wonderful for your skin, because you benefit a lot from rose water instead of ordinary water. So when you are mixing your treatment, go for rose water instead of ordinary water, please. If you don't have rose water, please make use of distilled water. Distilled water is water that is boiled and allowed to cool down. That is the water that is germs free. Add it into the treatment. Mix together little by little so that this treatment will not be watery. Then when you have gotten to the right consistency like this, it's time to apply it on your skin. Of course, you have to remove all makeups, wash off all dust, so that this treatment will be able to penetrate well into your skin and work better. So I don't always have makeup. In fact, when I'm at home, I don't use makeup. Sometimes when I'm going out, I don't apply makeup. So I'll just apply it right away to show you how it's done. Like, this works very well. It's a scrub. It's also a mask. So go on and apply it on the rest of your body. Massage, scrub all over. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse it out. You can leave it on for more than that. Perfect. The more you leave it on, the more it is sinking. When it dries, you notice that your skin will get firmer, like very tight. And that is to show you that this will work. So rinse it out when it's time. Then you apply a light moisturizer. So I'm going to leave it on for some time. Wash it out. I'll be right back. So after washing it out, you notice your skin will get clearer, and that is because this is a scrub. When you make use of a scrub on your skin, it gets rid of dead skin cells and reveal a bright, clearer skin. With consistency, your skin will be getting better and better. Your skin will be glowing naturally. You just love the result. So use this treatment 3 times weekly. It's very safe to use every day. Just get the ingredients, mix them together, apply it on your skin. Your skin will thank you for it. This should not stop you from using your beauty products like facial moisturizers, your facial soap, your body treatments, like your skincare products. Make use of this and also make use of them. I have skincare products, very nice for all skin types and complexion. You want to get, just contact me with that WhatsApp and I will give you the best, purely natural. You will love it. No side effects. So apply this treatment 3 times weekly, like I said, and you will love it. You will get younger. Your skin will get hydrated, supple, and not looking dried out and dull. No. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.